Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of America's ultimate comfort foods, macaroni and cheese. Whether it's baked to perfection or made quick on the stovetop, this creamy, cheesy dish holds a special place in American hearts. But did you know that mac and cheese has a fascinating history filled with twists and turns? Stick around as we uncover some surprising facts and even a few secrets behind this iconic meal. Let's get started. Macaroni and cheese may seem quintessentially American, but its origins date back much further, possibly to ancient Rome. Early Roman texts mention dishes made from sheets of pasta layered with cheese, similar to lasagna. This was the precursor to what we know today. But how did mac and cheese end up in America? That credit often goes to none other than Thomas Jefferson. He brought a pasta machine back to the US and even served a macaroni and cheese dish at a state dinner in 1802. Talk about presidential approval. Here's an often overlooked fact. Enslaved African chefs played a significant role in popularizing macaroni and cheese in the United States. Jefferson's enslaved chef, James Hemings, learned European cooking techniques in France and adapted them to American ingredients, helping bring this dish into the spotlight. Fast forward to the 20th century, and mac and cheese got a major upgrade. In 1937, Kraft introduced its iconic boxed mac and cheese during the Great Depression. It was affordable, easy to prepare, and quickly became a staple for families. Kraft reportedly sold 8 million boxes in its first year alone. Did you know that mac and cheese takes on different forms across the US? In the South, it's often baked with eggs and multiple layers of cheese, creating a custard-like texture. In the Midwest, you'll find versions with breadcrumbs and even bacon for an extra indulgent twist. And in New England, lobster mac and cheese reigns supreme as a decadent treat. Macaroni and cheese may be an American favorite, but variations exist around the globe. In the UK, they call it macaroni cheese, and it's often served with baked beans or crispy pancetta. In the Caribbean, you'll find it spiced with Scotch bonnet peppers for a fiery kick. And in Italy, a dish called pasticcio resembles baked mac and cheese but with added bechamel sauce and meats. Now, let's whip up a quick classic mac and cheese. We'll start with a roux, a simple mixture of butter and flour, to make our cheese sauce. Add in milk, your favorite cheeses, and a pinch of nutmeg for depth. Mix it with al dente macaroni, and boom, comfort food magic. These days, mac and cheese is anything but basic. Gourmet versions feature truffle oil, Gruyere, or even lobster. Food trucks and restaurants have also gotten creative, offering mac and cheeseburgers, deep-fried mac balls, and even vegan options with cashew-based cheese sauce. The possibilities are endless. Mac and cheese isn't just food, it's nostalgia. For many, it's tied to childhood memories of family dinners or late-night comfort meals. Its simple ingredients and satisfying flavor make it a dish that transcends generations and cultures, earning its place as an American classic. While mac and cheese feels distinctly American, its foundation, pasta, has a history shrouded in mystery. Some historians credit ancient China with inventing noodles, while others argue for an Arabic origin. Pasta as we know it, however, became popular in Italy in the 13th century. This Italian influence is part of why mac and cheese found a foothold in American cuisine, thanks to early European settlers. Have you ever wondered what makes mac and cheese so creamy and irresistible? It's all in the emulsification process. When you melt cheese with a roux and milk, the fat and water molecules bind together to create that smooth, luscious texture. Adding a pinch of cornstarch or evaporated milk can make your cheese sauce even more stable and velvety. Mac and cheese has even made its way into pop culture. From being mentioned in hit songs to starring in TV shows, this dish is more than food. It's a symbol of comfort. Remember the viral mac and cheese kid from The Amanda Show in the early 2000s? And who could forget Kevin's infamous pot of spilled chili in the office? While not mac and cheese, it's a reminder of how food makes us feel connected. During World War II, mac and cheese became a household staple for a very practical reason: rationing. Meat and dairy were scarce, and Kraft mac and cheese offered an affordable, protein-packed alternative. You could feed a family of 4 with just one box and a few additional ingredients. This helped cement its place in American homes. And that's the cheesy scoop on macaroni and cheese. From its ancient roots to its modern-day variations, this dish has come a long way while staying close to our hearts. What's your favorite way to enjoy mac and cheese? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious food stories from around the world. Until next time, keep cooking and keep exploring.